22. Okay, that was Absolute Evil. Number 28 on your list is called Aggression. It's a 25 shot by RACCOON. Aggression. That was Aggression. Next one is an old favorite called Back Off from Cutting Edge. Number 29, Back Off, 16 shots. That was Back Off. Next on the list is number 30. Brand new for this year. It's called Blue Burner. It's a 15 shot from MAGNUS. Blue Burner. That was Blue Burner. Just an FYI, blue is one of the hardest fireworks colors to make, so that turned out, I thought, exceptionally nice. And number 31 is God's Country, 16 shot from WINDA. God's Country. That was God's Country. Number 32 is brand new this year called King Spider. 10 shot. King Spider from WINDA. Okay, that was King Spider. I love that. Number 33, also brand new this year, is called Milk and Honey. 20 shot from RACCOON. Milk and Honey. That was Milk and Honey. Brand new last year, came in late, called MERICA since 1776. MERICA since 1776, 35 shot from World Class. 1776. Next one is brand new for us this year called Moody Blues. It's number 35, 12 shot from WINDA. Moody Blues. Moody Blues. Next one is Neon Green, 10 shot Neon Green from Magnus, number 36. That is definitely neon green. Number 37 is Off the Grid, brand new late year last year, 49 shot, Off the Grid from Mag Value. Wow, that went off the grid, didn't it? Okay, that's cool. Number 38 is Power Failure. It's a 50-shot zipper from Magnus. Number 38, Power Failure. Brand new this year. I don't know about you, but I thought that was purdy. Okay, Power Failure. Number 39, also brand new this year, Wild Willows. 10 shot from WINDA. That was Wild Willows. Number 40, Wings of Wrath. Brand new this year. 35 shot Raccoon. Wings of Wrath. Okay, that was Wings of Wrath. Okay, make sure you get your drawing tickets over there because between the demo and the Fireworks Pyro Musical, we will announce the winners. So go over and see Laura and she will sign you up. We've got some t-shirts and free fireworks over there to be given away after the demo and before the Fireworks Pyro Musical. Next on your list is Top Maverick. It's a 25 shot by WINDA. Top Maverick. Okay, that was Top Maverick. Okay, at the kitchen, they have an order ready, number 2728. Somebody has an order to pick up. If you could get your order, please. Alrighty, back to business here. The next one on your list is 42. It's called Paparazzi. It's a 12-shot by Raccoon. Paparazzi. Okay, that was Paparazzi. Number 43 on your list is Joker. It's a 20-shot by Raccoon. Joker. That was Joker. Number 44 is called Pirate Captain. It's a 21 shot by Raccoon. Pirate Captain, number 44. Okay, that was Pirate Captain.